Green, the color of healthy grass. The emerald gemstone is green. Tree leaves are green in the summer and red and orange in the fall. Say one of our sentences or come up with your own.
Your turn! Wordplay?
The beginning of our word is the GR blend. Its two letters are G, R. And the rest of our word is een, and that is formed by E, E, N. Green. G-R, E, E, N. Green. If you have green and swap your GR for an S, you have the word seen. I have seen you before. If you have green and swap your GR for a T, you have the word teen, which you become when you turn 13.
Wrap up.
Green, the color of healthy grass. If you know green, you also know seen and teen. Farewell.